Today we're going to add the plumbing to the tank. I've laid out all the pipes that came with it. These 4 are going to go at the top of the tank. These 2 are going to be at the bottom in the cabinet. If you can have a look at these, they're laid out exactly as they go. So the shortest one, if you were facing the tank, is going to go on the furthest right hand side. This one with nothing on top is going to go in the middle, and the one with the thread at the top of it is going to go on your far left. And then once these are in, this one is just going to slot over the top of it. In the cabinet itself, we're going to have this one on the far right side, and then this one next to it, and this one's probably going to be at the bottom right here once this pipe comes through at the bottom. I'm going to start with this smallest pipe that goes on the furthest right. Just going to find the thread in there and just screw it in. Then the one without the thread at the top goes in the middle. And finally, the last one goes at the far left. You can then add this right over the top of the far right one. It just sits on top. And this piece right here clips in right there. And just tightens in there. These go into the last compartment. And the pipe next to it goes into the same compartment. Just goes press in there, press it nice and squarely, and then just tighten it up. Can be a bit fiddly this bit. And there we go. We've plumbed it in. Only thing left now is the nozzle. That's where your pump is going to connect to. You get that flex cable that's going to connect right there, and it's going to connect to your pump. So that's it. All the plumbing work done. And then next video I'm going to set up the sump, and the return pump will come in, so then it'll connect up to here. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video.